With the new year brings new resolutions and maybe dietary changes. So if you love dinner rolls but want to cut out the gluten and other not so great ingredients, then stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen and create healthy recipes to support you on your own unique health journey. Today we're going to be making gluten-free honey lemon dinner rolls. Let's begin by adding 2 cups of almond flour to a medium-sized mixing bowl. And almond flour is a wonderful gluten-free, high-protein, low-carb flour to use. It has a mildly sweet flavor. 1/2 cup of either tapioca or cassava flour. Both flours are made out of the same root and they're really easy to digest. It's not as low carb as the almond flour, but it's going to help add some lightness to our rolls. Last, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. In a larger mixing bowl, we're going to add 2 eggs, preferably that are free range and organic if possible. 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, which is about 1/2 a lemon, and the acidity from the lemon juice is going to react with our baking soda, which will help our rolls rise just a bit. Whisk together your eggs and lemon juice. Pour your dry ingredients into your egg mixture and then stir it together really well. Last, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of either olive oil or ghee, which is a clarified butter. I'm using ghee today. Stir together and you're going to notice that your batter is pretty thick, but that's exactly what you want. Split your dough into 6 equal pieces and roll each piece into a ball. Flatten it out just a little bit so that it looks like a roll. Place your rolls onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and then sprinkle with a little bit of sesame seeds. Bake in a 400-degree preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Your rolls should almost be done, but not quite. While your rolls are baking, let's make a little honey lemon glaze. So in a small mixing bowl, I have 1 tablespoon of honey. To it, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest and 2 tablespoons of either olive oil or ghee. Again, I'm using ghee here. Mix together your ingredients. Brush the lemon honey glaze onto the tops of each roll and then place your rolls back into the oven for about 2 to 3 more minutes. You'll know when they are done when they turn a golden brown. Now it's time to give these dinner rolls a taste. I really love the flavor of these rolls. They remind me of yeasty kind of rolls in that we added the tapioca flour. So you can always substitute that tapioca flour for more almond flour. It's just going to be a thicker consistency. Also, these are not sweet at all. And the lemon is a very subtle flavor, so if you'd really like to boost up that lemon flavor, I'd recommend maybe adding a tablespoon of lemon zest into the dough mixture before baking them. Also, if you don't want to have such big rolls, you'd rather have smaller servings, go ahead and just cut these in half. These were about 1/4 cup each. So do about 1/8 cup and then just don't bake them as long. I think these are so good. Such a great option for gluten-free rolls, especially if you're just wanting to have that bread-like texture and flavor. These are a must. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure to tune in next week for more inspiration in the kitchen. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.